Ma puce, it's a flea.
A flea, a bug. He was calling me a bug and I didn't even know it. So in France, apparently, it's all about bugs, animals, and vegetables. That's what you call people that you love.
That's exactly right.
All right, so let's get into it.
All right, a classic in French, ma chérie.
I remember the first time you called me ma chérie. I was like, is this real? I feel like I'm a princess in a Disney movie with my French husband, French boyfriend at the time, calling me ma chérie. Like it was just so normal.
Yo, ma chérie.
What does it mean though? It's like my sweetie.
My dear. It's actually my chère. It's coming from chère, my dear, my dearest. We have one that is very close to my dear, which is ma biche.
Which means dear.
It's a doe, right? So it's ma biche.
We're saying dear like someone that's dear to me, and that's not the animal. But you actually say dear or doe, and it's...
Exactly, ma biche.
Well, I have one. We say honey, my honey, a lot.
Oh, honey. I went to a diner for the first time in the US. The girl called me, hey, hon, or honey. What do you want, honey? And I was like, is she flirting with me?
It's so true. Like waitresses in the United States, you're always going to be called, especially in a diner, hi, honey, come on in, honey. What can I get you, honey? And that's just a way to be motherly, actually.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I am taken, okay?
Do not flirt with me. And she's like, okay, sir, can I get you some coffee?
No, I love it.
Do you have a word like that in France?
We don't have that. Unfortunately, because I think it would be so sweet and cute.
It's just too personal.
Yeah, I think it's too personal, for sure. But we do have another one that I love, mon amour. Mon amour. Ou alors, aussi, on a mon cœur.
My heart.
My heart. You don't say that.
No, we say sweetheart.
Ah.
We call each other babe or baba.
Oh, Baba ganoush as well.
We do say that. Maybe the equivalent in French is bébé.
Bébé, it's a real common one as well.
So is it more sexy? It's like, hey, bébé.
No.
No?
It's not sexy. It could be, but it's not only sexy. It's, hey, bébé, est-ce que tu peux... No. It's more for younger couples.
Okay.
Okay.
We never call each other bébé.
Yeah, I know.
Not in French.
No, we don't.
And also, I call you another one, sweet pea.
Oh, yes. Sweet pea.
It's like a pea, that you eat.
For us French, we should start using that. Mon petit pois sucré.
Sounds good. Do you remember the first time I called you sweet pea?
Maybe it was when I was sick, probably. And you're like, do you want anything, my sweet pea?
When I'm being more motherly.
Exactly.
You're sick or you're hurt, and oh, my little sweet pea. I feel
like it's already better when you're called sweet pea.
Yeah.
But we are not shy with food, because for us, we do have some as well. It's about chou. Alors, un chou, obviously, un chou can be un chou de cabbage. Or it can be also a pastry. Un petit chou, parce qu'un petit chou sucré, hein, voilà.
With a little cream inside, a little puff.
And I gave it away already because we say petit chou, mon petit chou.
Mon petit chou.
Ou chouchou.
And can you call me Shushu, or only I can call you Shushu?
No, you would call me Lulu.
Lulu, which is wolf wolf?
Yes, I mean, yes, I guess so. It comes from a wolf, I guess.
There is one that he calls me. And for the longest time, I was like, oh, it's so French and so cute. And it was ma puce.
Ah oui, ma puce. Oh, ma puce, it's a flea, my little flea.
A flea, a bug. He was calling me a bug, and I didn't even know it.
It's not even a ladybug, it's like a flea. Among everything, that's pretty bad, right, a flea?
Yeah, so why were you calling me a flea?
Well, because it's so cute and so tiny and it hops.
Hopping, hop, hop, hop.
Yeah,
it is kind of cute, actually. Well, we say boo. Like, hey, boo. I don't say that, but...
Boo.
You've heard it. It's like in rap songs.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, I'm not my rap songs. One that I love is mon canard.
Oh, my duck.
In English, when you say, oh, my duck, no. But mon canard is very known. My mom called me mon canard. It's a cute one. Ma poule ou ma cocotte.
My chicken?
Oui, ma poule. Ah, pas chicken, a hen. It's a hen.
Well, there's one that I do call you. Champignon du monde.
Ah oui. Champion du monde. Maintenant, you say champignon. It's so cute.
Champignon du monde. What is it?
Well, champignon du monde doesn't exist. It's Kisha inventing it.
Oh.
It doesn't exist. You took champion of the world and you make it champignon of the world, and champignon is mushrooms.
A mushroom of the world?
Mushroom of the world.
That's what I'm calling you? Oh, I was trying to say champion of the world.
Yeah, champion, not champignon.
Okay.
We say ma louloute.
Louloute?
Oui.
What is it?
It's like the Loulou version, feminine version, louloute.
So it's wolf wolf, but the girl wolf?
They wanted something close to Loulou et louloute.
You call me Louloute.
Oui, ma petite louloute, oui.
Yeah, I've heard you say that to me multiple times. Like, especially when you're being kind of like, hey, my Louloute, you know, what do you want to do for dinner? Like,
Ouais.
it's when you're being sweet, like, to me. It's not like a romantic way. Or
No,
anything.
exactly. This is exactly it. This is spot on. Like, ma louloute.
Yeah. Another thing is all the nicknames that you kind of made up, I think, for our kitty. Your kitty. Her name is Nanu. Even her name Nanu, I think, came from Nana, which evolved to Nanu, and that even, you know, is a funny story. You want to tell the story about what a Nana is?
Nana is like a doudou, which is doudou for us in French means like a
blankie.
A blankie. It became Nanu. And from Nanu, Naganou, ma petite louloute also, ma petite Ganette.
Ganette, a lot. Ganette.
Yeah.
In the evening, when we're laying in bed.
Oh, ma petite crème au chocolat. Mon petit café au lait.
Oh, mon petit poire noir. It's not a real one. I just like to say it.
All French dessert and pastry. Mon petit croissant, mon petit pain au chocolat.
Mon petit Paris-Brest.
Oui, ma petite tarte à la vanille, voilà. Mon petit flan.
I think he has more terms of endearment for his cat than for his wife, which, you know, I'm not going to be offended.
Et ma petite Ganette. C'est ma petite Ganette, Nanou. We also have mon lapin.
My rabbit?
Yes.
Mon lapin.
Mon lapin. Lapin.
Lapin.
My dad was calling me mon lapin quite a bit.
Really?
And I called my nephew mon lapin.
I'm imagining you as a little Fabien baby, little boy walking around, and your dad saying, like, come here, mon lapin.
Mon lapin. We also have mon chaton.
Like a kitty.
Like a kitty.
We don't call people kitty.
That's true.
Yeah.
You should. And I'll finish with two sweet ones. Mon ange.
Mon ange. My angel.
My angel.
I like that. You used to put it in our text messages a lot when we first got together.
You're still my angel.
Aww. You know what's funny? Before our relationship, I never, not once, called another guy a term of endearment. Not once.
Really?
I don't think I ever felt comfortable or in love enough to actually say like babe or honey or sweetie, but that's all I do with you.
Wow. And I love it.
Actually, if I call you Fabien, what does it mean?
Yeah, I'm in trouble. So keep the thing going with the endearment. I love it.
The funniest one that Fabien calls me, and I don't think it's a real term of endearment.
I mean, it is for me, but...
But he calls me mon cochon.
Oui, mon petit cochon.
Because, you know, I mean, if you get to know us a little bit better, you're going to find out that Fabien is the more organized one. He's got everything buttoned up, everything clean, everything organized. Not to say that I'm actually messy.
No, not to say that at all. But it turns out that there's sufficiently enough proof that I was led to say mon petit cochon. I'll leave it here. It's cute, a little piggy.
It is cute. They're adorable. They're pink. They have a little curly tail. They've got cute eyelashes. Look at the bright side, people.
Exactly.
Okay, guys, so did we miss any? What do you call your husband, wife, girlfriend, significant other? We'd love to hear it in the comments. Let us know, especially if it's in another language. Ooh, exotic.
I love that idea. Yeah, I can't wait to read it, guys.
Well, thanks, y'all.
Et à bientôt.